This is what Governor Peter Mbah is doing in Enugu State.
We are forest guard, walking in the bush. In the name of Jesus, we shall conquer.
We are forest guard, we are heading to the bush. In the name of Jesus, we shall conquer.
We are forest guard, walking in the bush. In the name of Jesus, we shall conquer.
We are forest guard, we are heading to the bush. By the name of Jesus, we shall conquer.
We are forest guard, walking in the bush. In the name of Jesus, we shall conquer.
Oh, Jebe!
Hey!
Oh, Jebe!
Hey!
And I am very happy. I am very happy to see this. Ndabo ndo security. They are training them to enter bush, to guide our parents, our people. If other governors will be doing like this, it will be very good. After security, Gaba Mafia, because of the evil that is happening inside forest. Yes, I'm very happy for it, and those people and those security, they have started work. So I'm very happy to see Governor Peter Mbah doing this thing. I'm very, very happy. You know, say some of you now go to talk, say he's like they don't pay me money to talk this kind of thing. I found that money if you can put this kind of thing. Yes, other ones why they talk, other videos why they do. Now somebody they pay me money to do them. When I saw this video online, I saw it. I said, hey, I'm very, very, very happy for Governor Peter Mbah about security. They are training them now in Abani Mafia because of the insecurity. Enter inside bush, both Mandona Kubo to secure them. It's a very wonderful job. It's a very wonderful thing. I'm very, very happy with security. Up Tasre in Abani Mafia against kidnappers in Nanoni Mafia to save the people of Enugu State. Yes, it's a very great work. I like what I'm seeing. Yes, I'm happy what Governor Peter Mbah is doing in Enugu State. Yes, inside bush because of those kidnappers that are threatening people inside the bush. I like what Governor Peter Mbah is doing. I'm very, very happy. First governor in Igbo land. Pop security, Gabani Mafia. I pray that other governors will learn from him. Yes, I'm very happy. Yeah, Governor Peter Mbah, you are trying. You are doing a good job. This insecurity that is happening in Nigeria, this thing started from the head. Yes, but there are some governors, there are some politicians, they are trying their best to make sure they save their people. Yes, they are trying their best. Even though they will be trying, sometimes we hear bad news, but they are trying their best to make sure that they save their people. The reason that Governor Peter Mbah bring this security is to save the people of Enugu State, and I'm very happy that other governors will learn from this. Yes, and they have started doing their work. They are trying their best. I pray that God will be with them. I pray that God will protect them.